In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Microsoft Print to PDF is missing or not working on Windows 11 computer. First of all, you have to check Microsoft Print to PDF is available on your computer. Right click on Start menu, click on Settings, left menu pane, click on Bluetooth and Devices, then click on Printers and Scanners. In my case, Microsoft Print to PDF is not available here. Close Settings, go to Search. In Search, type Windows Feature. Click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Scroll down. Here you will find Microsoft Print to PDF. Check this option and then click on OK. Windows completed the requested changes. Now you will find Microsoft Print to PDF. Go to Settings. Click on Bluetooth and Devices, then click on Printers and Scanners, and you will find Microsoft Print to PDF is available here. Close Settings. If you find Microsoft Print to PDF is not working on your Windows computer, go to Search. In Search, type Services. Right click on Services. Click on Run as Administrator. Scroll down. You will find a setting here, Print Spooler. Right click on Print Spooler and then click on Stop. Right click on Print Spooler again. Click on Properties. In Startup Type, make sure Automatic is selected and then start the service. Now click on Apply and then click on OK. Close Services. That's it. In this easiest way, you can fix Microsoft Print to PDF is not working or missing in Windows 11 computer.